Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word decreases. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Regular exercise decreases the risk of developing chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Decreases in this sentence means to reduce or lower in amount, degree, or intensity, leading to a decline or diminishment in the specified risk factors. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.